Venkatesh, oh, my man.
What's up WWE Universe India? मैं हूँ गेलन मेंडोंसा and you're watching WWE Now India. इस महीने इंडिया में सिर्फ दो चीजें ट्रेंड कर रही हैं. एक तो है रेसलमेनिया और दूसरा है द IPL. रेसलमेनिया और IPL दोनों ही अपने आप में थ्रिलिंग और नेल बाइटिंग हैं. So you can only imagine if two of these amazing things were to ever collide. आज WWE Now India अड्डा के स्पेशल एपिसोड में we're gonna watch this phenomenal blend of sports entertainment and cricket. Now, if you're wondering who my guest is, well, hi Venkatesh, how are you doing?
Good. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Firstly, thank you so much for being a part of this. We all know of your love for WWE and of course, ace cricketer. आपको यहाँ पे आकर कैसा लग रहा है?
काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. WWE से एसोसिएट होने का कोई भी मौका मैं नहीं छोड़ना चाहूँगा बिकॉज आई एम अ ह्यूज WWE फैन और बचपन से देखता हुआ आ रहा हूँ. So I'm very happy to be here.
Well, we're very happy that you are here on our show. In fact, हमारे comment section में जब भी हम कोई post डालते हैं, there's always a comment or two that says get Venkatesh Iyer on the show. We know he's a huge WWE fan. In fact, he's such a huge WWE fan that I think you need to see it for yourself. Let's take a look.
Undertaker is one of my childhood heroes. I think I am a huge fan of WWE and I really hope that he sees this and sends me a signed WWE belt.
Dreams do come true, man. Let's go back. Let's शुरुआत से शुरुआत करते हैं. MBA in finance. Firstly, wow. I know that you are a really brainy guy as well. लेकिन फिर सीधा टीम इंडिया. इस जर्नी के बारे में हमें बताइए, आपके सफ़र के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
टीम इंडिया की जर्नी तो बचपन से स्टार्ट हो गई थी. जब से मैंने क्रिकेट खेलना स्टार्ट किया, हर कोई बच्चा यही सोच के स्टार्ट करता है कि वो इंडिया के लिए क्रिकेट खेलेगा. मेरी जर्नी वहीं शुरू हो गई थी. धीरे धीरे स्टेट लेवल खेला, फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल से पहले स्टेट लेवल में आया, फिर वैसे जोनल लेवल पे और उसके बाद IPL में मुझे बड़ा ब्रेक मिला. आई एम फ्रॉम अ साउथ इंडियन ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली, तो एजुकेशन का काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंस है मेरी फैमिली में एंड माई मॉम रियली इंसिस्टेड दैट आई डू फोकस ऑन माई स्टडीज़. और वो मेरे लिए एक गेट अवे टाइप भी वर्क करता है. जब मैं खेल के आता हूँ उसके बाद अगर मेरे पास पढ़ाई हो तो मुझे जोन आउट करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड आई थिंक just keeping up the tradition of being good in academics.
The good Iyer boy. I like that. इस सब के बीच में WWE के लिए भी प्यार डेवलप हुआ, उसके बारे में हमें बताइए. I mean, growing up, you've clearly been a huge WWE part of our WWE universe. तो how did this love start?
I think WWE के लिए प्यार तो बचपन में स्टार्ट हो गया था. घर वालों से छुप के देखता था. फिर पापा ने भी देखा कि इसको कितना ही रोक लो ये फिर भी देख ही रहा है. तो वो भी मेरे साथ बैठ के देखने लग गए और तब से वो प्यार अभी तक चला आ रहा है और आई एम श्योर वो प्यार आगे भी चलता आएगा.
Superb. In fact, इस इंटरव्यू से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूँ, You just informed me you just watched Raw and you came, right? आपने अभी भी Raw का एक एपिसोड आप देख के आए हैं. That's how big a fan Venkatesh is of WWE. So Venkatesh, we all remember that amazing debut that you had, that smashing 50 and multiple match winning innings. How was that debut for you? I mean, truly for us it was a treat to watch. What was going through your mind?
I think the only thing going through my mind was to make my team win. When I headed to the UAE from India, from my home, I really wanted to create an impact on the team. You know, despite all the scores that I made, all the victories, I was really happy that I was a part of KKR that was reeling at number 7 on the table and we actually ended up as the runners-up and we could have almost won the finals. So I was really happy that I was part of that history-making setup. And once you know that you can achieve something, then I think you really want to go out there and do it. You know, we came so close last year and I would really wish that this year we lift the IPL trophy.
Ooh, I can't wait to see that moment. That would be really fun to watch. I have a very fun WrestleMania predictions game for you. मैं आपको अब कुछ pictures दिखाऊंगी of our superstars that are definitely going to be competing at WrestleMania this year. आपको बस अपना प्रेडिक्शन हैट पहनना है और मुझे ये बताना है कि who according to you is going to win their particular match, ठीक है? But there's a catch to it. अगर आपको अपना आंसर लॉक करना है तो आपको अपने आंसर के बाद बोलना है करबो लोरबो जीतबो. Okay?
Okay.
So let's do this. Let's take a look at the first one. Charlotte Flair versus Ronda Rousey, big fight. Prediction.
I think Ronda Rousey, Corbo Lorbo Jeetbo.
Let's take a look at the next one. Yes, you have Edge versus AJ Styles, a match that not just you, a lot of us are really looking forward to. आपके हिसाब से इन दोनों में से कौन बाजी मारेगा?
क्रिकेट में ड्रॉज होते हैं वैसे तो WWE में भी हो सकता है but I think this is a match that is really tough to predict but I have to go with the Hall of Famer Edge. I think Edge, Corbo Lorbo Jeetbo.
Edge, Corbo Lorbo Jeetbo. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, the fight of the night, if I may say so. You have Brock Lesnar versus the head of the table, Roman Reigns.
You know, as much as I'm a fan of the work of Brock Lesnar, I think जो अभी recent Madison Square Garden में event हुआ, उसके बाद I think Roman Reigns has a lot of momentum. तो I don't want to say this, but Roman Reigns, Corbo Lorbo Jeetbo. I wish that doesn't happen though.
You wish it doesn't happen, but that's what you think would happen.
That's what will happen, I guess.
Time will tell. Let's take a look at the next one. You have Becky Lynch versus Bianca Belair. In fact, recently Becky ने अपना एक हॉस्पिटल में फोटो खींच के इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला था. ये हाल उनका Bianca Belair ने किया था with her lethal weapon, her big braid. Who do you think is going to win this one?
I think big time Bex बाजी मार लेंगी यहाँ पे.
I think we've come to the end of this WrestleMania predictions game. Well done. You've done a fabulous job so far. Venkatesh, we also know that you're a huge Seth Rollins fan. इस Seth Rollins fandom के बारे में हमें बताइए. How did your love for this particular WWE superstar come about?
I think Shield के मेरे सबसे favorite superstar Seth Rollins ही थे. You know, his agility and the work that he did, you know, being the architect of the Shield. और उसके बाद जब वो incident हुआ, heel turn, प्लान बी जो ट्रिपल एच ने किया, आई थिंक दैट वाज रियली अमेजिंग और तभी से मुझे सेथ रॉलिन्स बहुत पसंद है. एंड ओवर द इयर्स जो वो एक कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मर रहे हैं, यू नो, बीटिंग द लाइक्स ऑफ ब्रॉक लेसनर, रोमन रेंस, इवन विनिंग ऑल द चैम्पियनशिप्स. तो आई थिंक वो एक लेजेंड अभी ही बन चुके हैं और शॉर्ट फ्यूचर हॉल ऑफ फेमर बन चुके हैं. इसलिए मुझे सेथ रॉलिन्स बहुत पसंद है एंड ही इज डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब, यू नो, कैरिंग WWE. It's something really amazing.
So let me ask you this. Seth Rollins the architect, Seth Rollins the messiah और Seth Rollins the visionary. आपका कौन सा अवतार Seth Rollins का आपको सबसे बेस्ट लगता है?
काफ़ी टफ क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि मुझे सेथ रॉलिन्स के सारे कैरेक्टर्स अच्छे लगे थे. अब देख के मैं आई थिंक द आर्किटेक्ट कैरेक्टर वाज द बेस्ट, यू नो. दैट वाज द कैरेक्टर जब वो सेथ रॉलिन्स ग्रो कर रहा था और तब उसने पूरे WWE यूनिवर्स को अपनी तरफ खींचा एंड उसके बाद जो वो इवॉल्व हुआ, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. बट माय फेवरेट हैज टू बी द आर्किटेक्ट.
Yeah, I mean we've seen the phases and the different changing avatars of Seth Rollins, but honestly I think that's a pretty great pick.
And I really like his dressing sense now, the drip god dressing sense that he has. That's amazing, and the laugh that he has.
Can you even imagine what WrestleMania would look like without Kevin Owens and Seth freaking Rollins? Come on now! No way!
Oh my God,
Do you think you can do that laugh for us?
Absolutely not.
I thought I'll take my chances. Venkatesh, thank you so much for this wonderful chat. Clearly, आज आपने ये prove कर दिया that you are such an iconic, such a strong pillar for our WWE universe here in India. And everything that you've done so far, whether it was your iconic debut or whether it is your knowledge of WWE, you ace every single thing that you decide to do. So thank you so very much for being a part of our show. In जाने से पहले, we do this with all our guests. If there's anything you'd like to say to your favorite superstar, here's your opportunity. I know Seth Rollins is one that you truly love. So if you could look into that camera and say anything you'd like to say to Seth Rollins, now's your moment.
And I think first off, a huge shout out to Seth. You're doing an amazing job. I know you will have your WrestleMania moment, but do take care of your health and all the best for WrestleMania.
That is such a sweet message. But guess what? Seth Rollins has a message for you too.
Really?
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
Venkatesh, oh, my man. It is I, the visionary, the revolutionary, Seth freaking Rollins, and I am told, no surprises here, that you are a huge fan of mine, and I gotta say, my friend, that feels so good, in fact, that it is going to give me momentum I need, propel me all the way to WrestleMania and do what I do best, and make moments. But you've got Indian Premier League ahead of you. And so you need my blessing to go and grab that cup. So consider yourself blessed by the visionary, my friend. Now go on and burn it down.
I love that. He just gave you his blessings to burn it down. How does this feel?
That is amazing. I think I really can't believe that was Seth. Thank you so much, Seth, for all the love that you've given me. I really pray to God that you become the greatest WWE superstar that has ever lived. All the best.
Well, Venkatesh, thank you so much for joining us on this very special interview right here, right now. We know just as you've aced this interview, you're going to ace the upcoming season of the IPL as well. You need to find me people who would match these WWE superstars. Okay? Who's international cricket's Kane?
I can think of Saurav Ganguly that way.
What about The Undertaker?
I can name myself, but I'm not old, so I have a perfect choice. I think Undertaker has done everything in cricket. He is the god of WWE, and there is only one god in cricket, and that is Sachin Tendulkar, sir.